Oh, there's Rosie. All right, guys, what are we doing?
Camping.
Camping in our backyard, huh? Okay. You guys up for this?
Yeah. Yes.
Come on over here. Where should we set up?
Right here.
Okay. Rosie, where do you want to set up? Kira, where do you want to set up?
Right here. Right here.
Okay.
I want to set it right here. Whose is that? Rosie thinks so too.
Come on. Claire, stay out of there. All right, guys, we're going to set up, okay? You guys realize it's going to be like 35 degrees tonight. It's going to be cold. Are we going to be warm?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So we're setting up a tarp shelter instead of a tent because we wanted to make it a little bit challenging. It's supposed to be about 35 degrees tonight.
And it's going to rain tonight.
Yeah, it actually might rain or snow a little bit. So we wanted to have do a tarp shelter so it was a little more open and make it a little more difficult. So you guys ready to help me?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, well here it is. The wind has blown the ground cover around a little bit, but it wasn't pretty, and it was a little awkward. But if I wanted easy, I would have just put up our spring bar tent. Hey, come here.
Okay, stop
Hey.
laughing like that, please. I'm gonna have my blanket inside of my sleeping bag.
Lay down. Here, you're gonna lay down.
So cold.
Here, climb in your sleeping bag, honey. Yeah, get your sleeping bag or your blanket inside your bag.
I don't know where mine.
Yeah, it's cold.
Dad, get Rosie.
I don't know if that's visible, but it is forecast. The forecast is now
Hey,
for
Dad.
33 degrees,
Milo.
and it's already very cold. It's like 9:15 or something like that.
Dad, ready, set.
It's damp out here too. We put the sleeping bags out.
Dad,
Hold on.
let's mix our
I put the sleeping bags out like two hours ago, and I came out, and they're kind of wet. So.
Dad, look. Dad, look.
Where's
My breath will still show. Ready? Set. My breath will still show. Look, Dad.
Yeah.
I'll blow in my hand and then I'll let it out.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna get my sleeping bag in with my blanket into my sleeping. Hey, this is
Oh yeah, there's my breath right in front of the camera.
Copier. I was actually
Yeah, it
gonna do
is
that first
cold.
when you heard mine, then you
It's
copied.
surprisingly cold. Colder than it's been for a while.
Yeah, like spring is colder.
Okay.
It's supposed to be warm, I thought.
Yeah.
No. Tomorrow's gonna be like, after tomorrow it's gonna be so sunny. Right, Dad?
Yep.
We looked. And yeah, that's what I said. Clara, look, you can't even see my lips.
Well, guys, what do you think?
Good!
Okay. Wow. Okay, do you guys, so you have your wool blanket in there?
Yes.
Melina and Kira?
I do.
Or, I mean,
Look,
okay.
my wool blanket is gone because it's in my sleeping bag. Yeah, mine too.
Okay. And in case we get attacked by a mountain, if you guys anyone sees a mountain lion, let me know. I've got our bear spray.
Wait, there's mountain lions here?
And I've got a knife.
Oh, wow.
I'll cut it. I'll have to cut
Wait,
it.
there's mountain lions?
Remember about
Yes, the canyon.
3 weeks ago we saw a mountain lion
Yes,
about
the
a mile
canyon.
that way.
The well, a mountain lion can come to our house because the canyon's right.
Yeah, you can. Baba black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the day. 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baba black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy-bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Are you warm?
Yes. I am.
It's a scientific fact that singing will keep you warm. Okay, maybe,
Yeah, I'm getting warm.
okay, maybe that's not true, but...
It is.
So you guys ready?
Bus go round and round, round and round, round and round.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink oink. And when they got home, they got out of the car and there was a bloody hook hanging from the car door. So these guys have been asleep for a couple of hours and it is really, really cold out here. I think the camera lens has a little bit of actual frost on the lens. It took me a minute to wipe it off. But those guys are nice and toasty, apparently. Coyotes were just howling like crazy just down the hill from us right before I turned the camera on.
I'm cold to death.
Alright, this video is probably going to be shaky, but that is frost. Yes, that is frost. Well, here we are in the morning. Guys, how'd you sleep?
I give you a thumbs up.
Claire, why are you giving a thumb sideways?
Because I woke up 5 times.
In the middle of the night.
I woke up 5
Why?
I don't know.
Did you guys hear those coyotes howling?
Yeah.
No, you didn't. No, you didn't. Cause
Yeah, no coyotes.
if you would have heard them, you guys would have peed your bed, and then you guys would have demanded to go inside. So I know you didn't hear them. Did you have any dreams?
No, she has just black eggs. I'm a caterpillar. I'm in my chrysalis, okay? Leave me alone.
Wow, that is a big word, chrysalis.
Yeah. But I'm already like cracking out, so I'm like a butterfly.
I know you guys are those butterflies called stink butterflies.
Even if we're in a dark green and a light green cocoon.
That's the sign of a stink butterfly is
This is not a stink butterfly.
they
These
have
are-
green chrysalises.
No, these are green butterflies.
Okay, I'm just making it up. Did you guys stay warm then?
Yes.
Right
I woke
on.
up 2 times in the middle of the night.
How, Melina, how many Frankensteins did you see last night?
0.
What? I saw like 3. Clara, how many vampires did you see?
None. I
Oh,
only woke up 2 times and then went back to sleep.
I saw 11 vampires. Claire, that one time, the one of the times did you wake up, was that when that zombie was sniffing you?
I had a zombie sniff me last
I
night.
didn't have a zombie
Yeah.
or anything sniffing me last night. Oh,
Yeah,
my.
I looked over and saw one.
Did you see one sniff me?
No. Well, I guess he probably did. He probably sniffed you, but I just saw one lick your cheek.
I only saw Milo.
Oh my gosh, Milo. I actually had to have mom.
There's tracks over here.
What, dirt tracks?
Yes.
Yeah. I actually had to have mom take Milo. Milo's our cat. Mom take Milo and lock him in the garage because he wouldn't leave us alone. And he kept tracking dirt all over my pillow.
Daddy, we found more frost.
Oh, there's frost? Oh,
It's
Oops.
water though.
okay. Anyway, all right, guys. Success. Did you guys have fun camping?
Yes.
Sort of camping, backyard camping. Whoa, what was that? What's that mug for?
I love camping.
Okay. All right.